Effective study methods start with creating organized notes, reviewing key concepts, and practicing with past exams. Summarizing notes after each session reinforces learning, while regular reviews prevent forgetting. These foundational techniques help in understanding the material comprehensively. Active learning strategies elevate study methods. Teaching the material to others or using mnemonic devices engages deeper cognitive processes. Creating mind maps or diagrams visually connects concepts, enhancing understanding and long-term recall. These techniques promote critical thinking and retention. Great methods foster deep comprehension and application. Using spaced repetition systems, participating in study groups, and applying the Feynman technique to explain complex ideas simply are key. These methods prepare students to tackle a wide range of exam questions effectively. Set specific goals, manage time wisely with a study schedule, and maintain a conducive study environment. Consistently implementing these strategies builds discipline and ensures steady progress. These tips are essential for effective studying and academic success. To manage exam stress, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness exercises. Maintain a balanced lifestyle with adequate sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Physical well-being directly impacts cognitive function and exam performance.